How to fix package installer keeps stopping. Are you facing the issue where the package installer keeps stopping on your Android device? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem quickly and easily, so let's get started. The first step in troubleshooting is to restart your device. So this simple step can resolve many minor glitches, including issues with the package installer. Second of all, try clearing cache and data for the package installer. So scroll down, go to the Apps Manager, scroll down and find package installer, tap it, then choose storage, and here tap clear cache and clear data to remove any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. Sometimes outdated software can cause problems with the package installer, so go to Settings, Software Update, and check for any available updates. If there is one, install it and see if it fixes the issue. If the issue started after installing a particular app, it may be causing a conflict with the package installer, so go to Settings, Apps, and uninstall any recently added apps. Low storage space can sometimes interfere with the package installer, so check your device's storage under Settings, then Storage. If your storage is nearly full, please clear unnecessary files or apps to free up some space. And as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset, so if none of the previous steps worked, a factory reset may be required. This will restore your device to its original settings, but before doing this, please make sure to back up your data. So go to Settings, System, Reset, then Factory Data Reset. And that's how you can fix the package installer keeps stopping issue. If the problem persists, contact your device's support team for further help. Thanks for watching.